Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to send and receive cryptocurrency from Binance to Binance on phone. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not any mistakes. So all we need is open Binance and go to wallets, select a coin, for example NEAR, and click. If you want to send coins, then click withdraw and select send to Binance user. Next, a page opens where you can choose the method of sending, mail, phone or Pay ID and Binance ID. For example, select the Pay ID and enter the amount to send. We select a wallet for payment, in our case it is a spot wallet, and we see that there is no transfer fee. Click send, check everything and confirm. That's all, the coins has been sent and will be credited to the Binance wallet within 10 minutes. In order to receive coins, you need to click deposit, select a network. In our case it is NEAR protocol and you will have a QR code and an address to receive. If you have the opportunity, scan the QR code and get coins using it. If not, then copy the address and tell it to the sender, or use it yourself to send it. Also watch my other videos about Binance and the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.